How are you doing? I got a 2018 Chevrolet Trax. You want to get to your cabin air filter and check it or replace it, go over to your glove box. And first thing you're going to need to do is disconnect this damper that you have here. There's two ways of doing it. You can either disconnect it down here or you can disconnect it up here. Okay. It mounts up the same way on both sides. The bottom one, this one is kind of harder to get it to disconnect. If you just pull on it and it'll disconnect like that. You might feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. Alright. And when you go to want to put it back on, all you gotta do is just push it back on, it'll go right back on. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to push these side pieces past the glove box here. It's made to do this, so just when you do it on this side over here. Okay. Then you can just pull the glove box down. When you do that, the cabin filter is located in here. Okay. It even says here, filter access door. So you're going to push the tab in on this side and on this side, and then this thing will lift up. Okay. You flap it open. The door doesn't come off, so just open it up, and then you're going to pull the filter out. If you need one of these, I'll leave a link in the description box. This Trax has very low miles, so this thing is not going to be dirty. It's got a few leaves in it, but I don't think it's going to be dirty. We're just going to check it, but if you look at it, it's pretty clean. But again, if you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box with the part number and everything like that. Okay, let's kind of shake that thing out. Stick it back in, push it in all the way, and you can hear it click and close. Just get the glove box, push it up. Get your damper, just click it back on, and that's it. It can be a little tricky right here, but gotta need some two hands.